day 8 of Vlog Every Day in April, which means it's the 8th of April. That's right. It's really easy to keep track of all this right now. So again, I spent the day with my mom. What did we do? We went to a flea market, and there's some footage of that. What footage outside your apartment? Crazy! And then we got some food at an Italian restaurant, and then we drove around Mulholland Drive, which is on top of the mountains, which is pretty views. So footage and everything. Wee-oo! I don't know where I got the wee-oo from, maybe from Shay Carl. Feel like a race car driver?
I do.
Indy 500. That's pretty. Anyway, that's all for me today. I hope you're all had fantastic weeks, and I hope you're going to have fantastic weekends. That's all for me. See me tomorrow. Bye.